Good morning, children. Last class you have seen the mathematics chapter, right? Today we will go with the EVS part, that is 7th chapter, the food we eat. You can turn to your page number 52 from your textbooks. Okay, last class we have seen why we need food, all those things. Today we will continue with the rest of them. So what happens if you don't take food? We will feel sick and we will be getting weak, right? So and if we don't take the food for a longer time, if you don't take the food in your regular intervals, what happens? You will feel very hungry, right? You want to take something in the meanwhile. So for that reason we need to take food. And why food is important for us? We want to grow taller, stronger and healthier. To grow taller, stronger and healthier. So if you want to do some work, you need energy. Where do you get energy? We get energy from food. Okay, and food will protect you from different types of diseases also. We can protect us from it will protect us from against diseases. We will not get any kind of diseases if you take proper diet with your food items. So from where we are getting food? We get food from plants and animals. So we get food from plants and animals. Okay, and animals. And how many times, what are the main foods, main meal we will take in a day? In a day we will take 3 main meals. How many main meals? We will take in a day 3 main meals. Okay, let us see what is the 3 main meals per day. Per day you will take 3 main meals. In that, the first one we call it as breakfast. Why? Because we are taking this in the morning, that's why it is called breakfast. And second one, we will take this in the afternoon time, so that is called lunch. Whenever you take in the night time, that is called dinner. So what are the 3 main meals we have in our daily? So we have 3 main meals, that is, one is breakfast. In the morning we will take the breakfast, as well as in the afternoon we will take the lunch, and at night we will go with the dinner. So here at what time you can have your breakfast? You can have your breakfast at 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. You have to complete the breakfast between 7 to 8 a.m. Whereas the lunch is concerned, we will take in the afternoon, that is 12 to 1 p.m. So between 12 to 1 p.m. we have to finish our lunch. And coming to the dinner, dinner time is around 7 to 8, same as like breakfast. In the night time you have to finish this between 7 to 8 p.m. Right, these are called 3 main meals we have per day. What are that? One is breakfast, lunch, and next one is dinner. In the meanwhile, what you will do? In the meanwhile, you like something to eat. What is that? That is snacks. Okay, in the meanwhile, we will take snacks. The snacks time will be in the mornings, it will be around 10 to 11, and in the evening times it will be, in the morning it will be around 10 to 11, and in the evening time it will be at 3 to 4. So in this way we will take the 3 main meal as well as with the snacks also. So that this is about the meal and meal per day we will take. And coming to the things, what the things will be included in the breakfast? What you can include in breakfast? What you will take in the breakfast? You can take bread jam, right? You can have bread and jam. Otherwise, idli, dosa, puri. Next, some other things we used to take in the breakfast. Along with that, we will add milk also. You can take milk in the breakfast time. So this is all about the breakfast. Your favorite breakfast also will be there. According, if you ask your mom, she will made it for you, right? These are the food items we will include in the breakfast. Coming to the lunch. What is the lunch time? Lunch time is around 12 to 1. This we will take in the afternoons, right? We will go with the lunch time in afternoon time. So here, what do you include in the lunch? You can take rice, vegetable curries, and curd rice. Rice may be with many different things, that is lemon rice, tomato rice, or any vegetable fried rice. All those things you can add in the lunch time. Whereas coming to the dinner, what is the dinner time? Night we will take the dinner. In the dinner time, you can add the dinner like chapati, cup rice, little bit of rice with different curries, and you can add curd rice also. So in this way we will take the food items for dinner. And snacks, you have number of things to take the snacks, so that you can add like cornflakes and some fried fried potatoes, all these french fries, all these things you can add in the snacks time. So this is all about the three main meal, and as well as the what the food items include in the breakfast, lunch and dinner. Okay. Steamed rice. Here is one table is there. You can circulate the breakfast with red color, and lunch with blue color, and snacks with pink color. Here is one table for you. You can finish it at home. What you can include with your breakfast, lunch and with snacks. Okay, right. Now we will see, where does our food comes from? From supermarkets, right? No. So where does our food come from? Food comes from, I said that, from plants. The food comes from plants and animals. And we'll see now food from plants. Food from plants. Generally the food from plants are three types. I said that is fruits, vegetables and grains, food grains. We will get all these things from plants. We will get fruits from plants, vegetables from plants and grains also from plants. And what fruits? Generally fruits are raw type. Raw type means they are not cooked one. Otherwise we don't cook the fruits, right? We will not cook the fruits. Generally fruits are raw type, and vegetables, we will cook the vegetables, right? So what are fruits? We can have the fruits like banana, it is also from the plants. Apple is also from apple tree. Orange is also from orange tree. And mango is also we can get from mango tree. Watermelon also from tree. So do you cook this one? Pineapple, grapes. These are some of the example for your fruits. So why it is called as raw? Why? Because we are not going to cook the food. And so these are the, what are these? These are the fruits. In coming to vegetables, we will cook before taking the vegetables. Before eating, we will cook the vegetables. Some vegetables are there, we can take it as raw vegetables like carrot, beetroot. You can take it raw also. But here you have the vegetables are also two types. One, we have the leafy vegetables also in the vegetables part. Vegetables. What kind of vegetables we will cook for curries? Brinjal, peas, tomatoes, potatoes, spinach. Spinach is a leafy vegetable, and capsicum, etc. That means some more. These are some of the examples for your vegetables. That is, before eating food, we will cook the vegetables. And coming to the grains, these are, we must cook the grains. So grains such as, what are grains means? The food grains also comes from plants itself. We have maize, wheat, and rice. These are the some of the example. You can see here wheat. Wheat means with the wheat we will make the what will make with wheat we will make the chapatis, rotis, right? And rice, cooked rice. We'll cook food in the afternoons and in the dinner time also. Maize, with corn we can we can make a flour with the corn, and otherwise we will cook as a food item also. In this way we get grains also from plants, and these, before eating the grains, you should cook the grains, otherwise you can't take it as raw. Okay, this is all about the what is that, food we take and food that are coming from plants. Okay, one more time I will repeat the things for you. We have three main meals, that is breakfast, lunch and dinner, and the timing also I have given for you. What timing we will take the breakfast, snacks and lunch and dinner. Generally where we get food from? We get food from plants and animals. Here we have the food from plants and animals. From plants we will get three kinds of foods, that is fruits, vegetables, leafy vegetables as well as the grains. So what will come under fruits? Fruits are raw type, that is we no need to cook that one, we can take it as raw. And here are the fruits: banana, apple, orange, mango, watermelon, pineapple and grapes. These are the some of the examples for fruits. And here vegetables, we have leafy vegetables as well as the vegetables also. We want to cook the vegetables to make a curry. Okay, so what are the vegetables? Brinjal, peas, tomatoes, potatoes, spinach and capsicum, and some more also they that we can add in the vegetables. Okay, these are some of the examples. And leafy vegetables, spinach is one of the example for leafy vegetables. And coming to the grains we have generally maize, wheat and rice. Some cereals and pulses also will get from plants itself. So these grains are, we must need to cook the grains. Okay, this is for this is the cooked food, not the raw food.